Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and insights on the latest gadgets and appliances. Today, we're diving into the world of printers, and let me tell you, we've got a gem on our hands. Feast your eyes on the Canon PIXMA TR7020a all-in-one wireless color inkjet printer. It's not just any printer. It's the best Canon all-in-one printer available in the market right now. This sleek and sophisticated printer is a powerhouse when it comes to functionality. With wireless connectivity, duplex printing, mobile printing capabilities, and an automatic document feeder. It's got everything you need for your printing, copying, and scanning tasks. But wait, it gets even better. The TR7020a boasts a stunning 1.440 LED display, making navigation a breeze. Setting it up is a walk in the park, and its compact design ensures it fits seamlessly into any home or office space. Now, let's talk about performance. With print speeds of up to 13 pages per minute in black and 6.8 pages per minute in color, you'll never be kept waiting. And the best part? The print quality is exceptional, delivering crisp, clear documents and vibrant photos every time. But what about ink costs, you ask? Fear not. With the PIXMA print plan, you can save up to 70% on printing costs, making it not just a smart choice for your wallet, but also for the environment. Plus, with ENERGY STAR and EPEAT Silver certifications, you can rest assured knowing you're making a sustainable choice. Don't just take my word for it. Customers love the value, ease of use, and print quality of the Canon PIXMA TR7020a. Whether it's for your home office or personal use, this printer has got you covered. So there you have it, folks. The Canon PIXMA TR7020a all-in-one wireless color inkjet printer truly stands out as the best Canon all-in-one printer on the market. With its impressive features, top-notch performance, and cost-saving benefits, it's a game-changer for anyone in need of a reliable printing solution. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest tech products. Until next time, happy printing!